Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to Bluetooth Toys channel. Okay, latest release from FuelMe. Something other than RWB. GUNTHER WERKS. Okay. Uh, we have been seeing so many RWBs. I think it's a little bit of a breath of fresh air. Something other than RWB. Still, I'm still quite amazed with the RWB story, and I still do collect some of them. They do really still look very nice. But I was very looking forward to this thing from FirstLook. Actually, I did a little bit of homework, and it is quite an interesting story. Uh, Comparing FirstLook and RWB, they are actually very different. So this one, it is very nice. Apart from just the only other tuning company that I know that tunes Porsche is rough, and right now I know about that. Okay, so this is actually GUNTHER WERKS 400R. The base model is actually a Porsche 993. Okay, and it is basically they would call it remastered version of the 993, taking the best bits of the Porsche 993 and then further improve it with today's technology. I think from a little research that I managed to do right over the past day um, is that most of the people who have actually reviewed this car, they would usually say, it's actually really combining the awesome parts of the past, the driver experience and everything of the car during the periods of time, that period of time, 1995, if I'm not mistaken, and adding in today's technology. For example, they do have that nose lift technology, so that this can be an actual daily driver. Okay, so right, so there we go. It's a 400R. I'm guessing because it makes 400. The real car actually makes 430 plus horsepowers. Okay, I guess that's why it's called 400R. So I did a little bit of a shortcut. Okay, I actually got it out of the package already. So I just wanted to show you its pretty standard FuelMe packaging. I got it out here, and I have sticker hugging it already. My name is Ivy. Okay, let's put it aside for a short moment while joy and beauty. So first thing that caught our eyes, of course, the martini degree. I did try to find if the real car exists. So far, no. I've only seen green, yellow, and then I've seen one in the Gulf livery as well. But I've not seen one in the martini livery. So I'm not sure if this real car actually exists. Please do let me know if you know. Okay. So one of the things that they pointed out is also this is actually 6 inch wider in the real car. Okay, I'm talking about the one-to-one scale. Okay, it is actually 6 inch wider than the original. So 25 of these were made. The base price in US is actually $525 US, and they have a lot of options, and it goes way up to even 700,000, I think. And if I'm not mistaken, right, it does not include the car, the donor car. Okay, that's just the mod itself. It's just the mod itself, right? And it contains how much? I think there was a mention. There's quite a lot of original Porsche parts in there as well. I think wiring is original Porsche. Call what stuff is. Anyway, this is really. I really like uh, how it pretty much maintains the original shape of the 993. That is actually very nice. So in the real world, it exists in two wings setup, ducktail or the GT wing. So based on their recommendation, right, the ducktail will be more suitable for street, and the GT wing will be more suitable for track. Okay? So basically, what they have created, right, it is a track car that you can use every day. Okay, that is so it is quite a driver's car from what I get it as well. I really like how FuelMe really pull off the headlamps. It really looks like a real thing. silver kind of finishing. The intake detail is done very well as well. So the wheels, right? I wouldn't consider them being able to roll, but they are a little bit free, so you can actually adjust it. However, the disc brake moves along with it. There's a disc brake in there, and so the disc brake will actually go along with it. So just going to move it. Yeah, you can turn the wheels. Okay, you can turn the wheels, but you can't exactly roll the car. Okay, you do a roll test. Yes, you want a roll test. This is a racing model. Okay, this is a racing model, so they are not meant to roll anyway. It's for display. This is a CFT model for the okay, and the other thing, very interesting is Peter Nam, the co-founder of GUNTHER WERKS, right? They are based in California. Okay? So they did mention that they did purposely combine the exhaust with out in the middle and that together. So because acoustically, this is actually much better than having two separate exhausts. Okay, you have to go on YouTube, you know, the actual thing because it sounds freaking crazy. It sounds freaking good. There is a little detail in there. There is some little detail in there. There's a red color, something like red in there. I'm not sure what it is. But basically, from the original 993, right, the chassis is from the donor car. Basically, the chassis and the engine block would be in its original form. Okay, I would say that for the VIN number. So only those two things are basically from the donor car, and the rest of it is basically all new. Don't say new. So the engine is actually tuned by built, actually built, custom built by Roth Racing. So based in the US. And so I was told that I mean, based on the research, I found that it varies from 425 horsepower. I do really like this engine. I kind of feel that it did maintain a lot of the original taste, you know, of the entry. So, I do have an RWD here. I have the warranty. I haven't done a video of these RWDs. I do have a couple of them, but I've only taken up for photos. I have not did a proper video of them. Do let me know if you want to see uh, videos of the filming RWDs. Yeah, that's the thing about racing motorsport. It is really, I call it therapy. It is a little bit of therapy. Nice. Details, that is very, very nice as well. So, yeah. Okay, so as usual, please hit the subscribe button, okay, and so you don't miss any of my awesome scale model videos. Do hit the like button, okay, because I understand that is the algorithm that helps make YouTube promote my video, okay. Do follow me on Collector's Cube. Okay, that's where I spend most of my time right now doing Facebook Live. We have live sales, and most of our ready stocks is through Collector's Cube. We do ship international. Do look us up on Facebook, and I think that's it for this video. Do let me know if you want me to cover the rest of the FuelMe models. Okay. Thank you very much for watching.